You can see the picture. I mean the certificate of this temple is from the National Council for Ifa Religion. This is the certificate for Ogundameji Temple, Apata, Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Is a corporate member of the council with identity with the identification number PIN NCR CM008 issued by Professor Egbe Orisa-Oko, who is the member of the trustee and the international president of International Council for Ifa Religion worldwide. You can see the signature of Professor Egbe Orisa-Oko. You can also see the signature of Chief Awoyemi Aworini, the Araba Agbaye Chairman, Council of Spiritual Leader, the Chairman of the Trustee of International Council for Ifa Religion. Let me read it all over again for you. This is the certificate for the International Council for Ifa Religion issued to Ijo Ogundameji Atorise. You can see the National Council for Ifa Religion, RC number 14074, certificate of membership. It is hereby certified that Ogundameji Temple, Apata, Ibadan, Oyo State, is the corporate member of the council with identification number PIN NCIR/CM008, shall be entitled to all the rights, privileges, benefits, and protection that may accrue from the membership of the council in accordance with the Constitution, signed and sealed this day, the 29th of April 2002. The certificate is signed and sealed by Professor Egbe Orisa-Oko, who is the member, who is serving as the member board of trustee of the International Council for Ifa Religion. Is also the president of the International Council for Ifa Religion. Professor Egbe Orisa-Oko is a professor at Applied Geology in Federal University of Technology, Akure. You can also see the signature of the Araba Agbaye Chief Awoyemi Aworini, the Araba Agbaye Chairman, Council of Spiritual Leader, and is also the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of International Council for Ifa Religion too. This is the seal that shows that the certificate is valid. As we are entering this place, this is where we meet for Ugboni, where we have Ugboni meeting. We call this place Isaboti. We call it Isaboti, this place. If you I'm sure that you will be here when we are doing the initiation to Ugboni. This place will be arranged more than this. You can see the sign for Ugboni. This is ETA. We call it ETA. This sign shows the Ugboni, the sign for all Ugboni members. If you enter the place and you see this sign, that shows anything like 3, that shows something like this. Either 3, they may not write it, they may not design it like this, they may just put something, maybe 3 or what. It shows that that place or that person is an Ogboni member. It's one of the Ogboni members. This sign shows Ogboni. This is also where we also do the initiation for
this room.
This room also
preparation of the initiation.
This room also meant for the preparation for Ogboni of Ogboni initiation. Also meant for Olokun initiation. This is also the place where we have the preparation, where we had the preparation for Ogboni, where we have preparation for Olokun, and this is also the place where we did the Ogboni, where we did Olokun for Chief Ifatokun Itaniyi Idibere
and his wife also.
And his wife Iyanifa Ejogbe Iwori Tutu and Iwori Meji. This is where we have this is where we did their initiation for. This is where they did their initiation for Olokun. Also, this is the place, I will call it, this is the room that we did a preparation, and we also where we did initiation for Ogboni, for Ifatokun Itaniyi Idibere, and all other member Ejogbe, Iyanifa Ejogbe, then Iwori Meji, and Iwori Tutu Emily, that came from Venezuela for initiation of Olokun. And this is where we are going to do the initiation for Ogboni, for Ifatokun Idibere Itaniyi. This is where we are going to do the initiation for Ogboni. This door you are looking at symbolize. This is Iya Yemoja. This woman you are looking at is Iya Yemoja. This symbolizes Yemoja Usha Yemoja. Symbolize Usha Yemoja. That is Iya Mi or Yahweh. This also this symbolize Yemoja worshipper. You can see the keys nailed down in front of the woman with a calabash and other things. This when people are looking for a child, or those that are barrenness, you can seek for child. You can seek for child from Yemoja. This picture also symbolize the Orisha, that this place is for Orisha worshipper, not only Ifa worshipper. It's also for Yemoja. Yemoja can come here to worship. Osun worshipper can be there, they can be here to worship. So Ogun worshipper can come into the temple to worship. This also symbolizes this also represents Iya Yemoja, because the reason why Baba Ogumbe did this is because his grandmother is a Yemoja worshipper. It's also the reason why, but it also means that this place, everybody can come here to worship, not only Ifa worshiper,